Hey everyone, and welcome back. Running a small shop and want to track your sales in Bitrix24? In this video, I'll show you how to build a custom sales funnel with the exact fields you need. First, let's create a pipeline. Go to your CRM, find the sales section, and click Pipelines. Then, click Create Pipeline. Name it something clear like Retail Sales. Now, set your stages. For a shop, you might use Inquiry received, quote sent, negotiation, sale closed. Now, let's add custom fields. In your CRM settings, find fields for your deals. Click Add Field. Create fields that matter to your shop. Add a product interest field as a drop-down. Add a budget range field. Maybe a preferred contact method field. These custom fields will appear when you create or edit a deal, so you can track exactly what your customers need. Finally, save everything. Now you have a tailored CRM that fits your small shop perfectly, helping you track every customer from first contact to final sale. And that's it. You've just built a powerful, custom sales funnel without any technical hassle. If you create a pipeline for your business, let me know what you're selling in the comments. See you in the next one.